Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this video. I'm very glad that you are joining me on this video. So on this video, we are going to straight to the point. We are going to be talking about the ETHgas airdrop. All right, so this airdrop is for every single person, and this airdrop basically reward you back whatever you have spent on the Ethereum blockchain as gas fee. All right, so it is very simple, and this project is basically pioneering Ethereum block space market, unlocking profound capital efficiency and precision for builders to power an instant and gasless Ethereum for everyone. So on this video, I'm going to be walking you by the hand. I'm going to be showing you all you need to know about this project, how you can be able to farm it, and your reward is going to be in beans. Those beans that you are getting right here, as I'm going to be showing you, the determinants of your airdrop allocation. The amount of beans you get determines your airdrop allocation, and currently the total value locked for this project is around $7 billion, I guess. And to participate on this airdrop, it is totally simple and very easy. So before we start the video properly, guys, remember we still give out Tone coin to anybody watching our video right now from any part of the world. What you need to do is very simple to get the Tone coin. It's actually a giveaway, and what you need to do is very simple. Go ahead right now to subscribe to our YouTube channel on the button down below if you haven't subscribed yet. After that, go ahead and give us a thumbs up like this, and go ahead and click on the bell icon that will be appearing and select all, so that whenever I post new video, you'll be the first to know about it. Also, go ahead and give us a thumbs up like this. Okay, give us a thumbs up like this, then make sure you share the video to your family and friends, anybody else. Make sure you share the video. Then finally, you go ahead to drop a very nice and interesting comment right there, because of course we pick winners from the comment section. With that being said, guys, let's now go back to the business of the day. So to start this airdrop, like I already said, it is very simple. So first thing you need to do is to link your X account. And what is your X account? Your X account is of course your Twitter. Already the referral code is going to be here automatically. You get some reward if you join through the referral code. In case you have you want to ask a lot of questions or any question at all concerning this project, you can scroll down. You are going to be seeing the community FAQ, which is basically frequently asked question. On this place, you are going to be getting answers to a lot of questions that you may likely want to ask. So right now, let's get onboarded on the airdrop so easily. What we need to do is to go ahead and connect our X account. I will click on it. So this is going to be authenticating with our Twitter, and we are going to be authorizing the connection with our Twitter account. Once we authorize it to connect with our Twitter, it is going to be connected immediately, and we are going to be gaining straight access into the website. So right now, I will go ahead and click on authorize. And once your Twitter account gets connected, you go ahead and click on continue. Okay, you can see over here, you can see you are onboarded. So right now, you are officially on the mission to build a gasless future. Your dashboard is now unlocked, where you can track your progress and start earning beans. Your first quest is waiting. Let's grow together. Let's get growing. So I'll click on go to dashboard right now. So next thing right now is for you to link, my bad, just bear with me. So next thing right now is for you to link your primary address. Make sure the wallet that you are linking is your main wallet that you have used to that you have spent much Ethereum on, so that you will get a better allocation. If you look up right here, you can see I have about 10 beans right here. That is because I used the referral code. So I will click on link primary wallet. I need to select the wallet that I want to use. I will select my OKX wallet, and popping up my OKX wallet, I need to approve the connection. Right now, immediately I just approve the connection. I'm going to ask to sign the signature. I will click on confirm, and immediately right now we are done. You can see I have now completed this quest and I've got 30 beans. Okay, so this is it. I will click on close right now. So right now, guys, you can see this is what I got right here. So right now they are going to be asking for my secondary wallet. You can see your secondary wallet can be used for various transaction and activity within the ETHgas ecosystem. They provide flexibility, allow you to manage your assets more effectively. So your secondary wallet is like a wallet where you are going to be using to confirm transaction and do a lot of things, even more safety. So I will go ahead and connect it right now immediately. So over here, this address is already linked to or added. Please try another. So add secondary wallet. So I guess I need to okay, so right now, guys, current address selected in wallet. Okay, to add a secondary wallet, ensure that you have switched to the address you intended to add from your wallet first. okay, you must sign in to verify that you are the actual owner. So right now I will switch to my second wallet before pressing on connect wallet. Okay, immediately I'll switch to my second wallet. I will click on connect right now, selecting MetaMask. Okay, so this is going to be popping up my MetaMask. Remember, I'm adding this as a secondary wallet. So right now I will go ahead and click on connect, and right now the connection will be established immediately. You can see continue verification. This should be popping up my wallet again for me to actually sign the signature or message before I proceed. So this is it right now. I will click on confirm. Right now, confirming this right now, we have now successfully done this. So the next thing we need to do right now is very simple. You can see for just doing this, I've got about 40 beans right here. So right now I need to head straight to my dashboard. Okay, so clicking on my dashboard right now, you can see this is what we have right here, and currently we are on the chapter 2. The chapter 1 is already done, I think, which is of course the social quest and referral, and of course this is where you are going to be getting your gas reports. That is the chapter 2 basically, and on chapter 3 we are going to be getting the gas rebate, and chapter 4 we are going to be having the secret chapter, which is basically expecting when it is going to be when the airdrop is going to be listing. Okay, so right now upon scrolling down, you can see unlock your personal gas report. That is you are going to be generating the gas report. That is the total gas that you have spent on the connected wallet, and maybe the beans equivalent for that. So I will click on generate gas report right now. So this should be authenticating with my wallet, and they should be giving me the report of what I have actually spent on my wallet so far. Okay, so right now guys, you can see what do we have right here. Okay, just bear with me. All right, so I guess I need to first of all I will click on gas report, generate gas report again. So over here, hold up, add all your secondary wallets to aggregate blah blah blah. Okay, they say ensure you add all your wallets now to account for all your historical gas spent across all this. So these two wallets, I'm okay with it. So no, I'm not looking again. So I'll just go ahead and click on all set, generate my report. So let's see what we are going to have right here. Just give it a little time. You can see it's calculating key gas metric. Just in a moment we should be good to go. Okay, and finally we are good to go. So I will scroll down like this. You can see generally I was spent around 0.0330 Ethereum gas fee. So over here right now, I think I need to follow the X account in order for me to claim 50 beans right here. So scrolling up, you can see you can share this to Twitter so that you will get 100 beans for that. So I will just go ahead and click on claim now. Okay, and after following them, I've just claimed 50 beans right now. So I'll just go ahead and share this on Twitter as well to get to claim my beans. So okay, so they are going to be generating this for you automatically. So just go ahead click on post so that you post it on Twitter, and that is just all. So you go back right now like this, and click on verify quest, and okay, and get beans. So just bear with me, we should get to go right now. And to be able to do that, you need to sign in on full. What do they call it? Connect your wallet to full. I'll click on sign in right now, and selecting your wallet. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, you just need to confirm the connection immediately. And after that, guys, immediately they are going to be asking you for your email. You can choose to give them your email, or you can just leave it. Simply click on continue. You have successfully connected your wallet. You need to link your X account. So I will click on link X account right now. And right now I've also successfully linked my X account. So right now I will click on verify share status right now. So they are going to be asking for the post link on Twitter. So I will head over to Twitter right now to get the post link. This is it right here, which is the post that you shared earlier. So I'll just click on I will click over here. Okay, where is the share button? Okay, just bear with me. I need to get the share button for this. Sorry. Okay, this is it. I will click on copy link like this. So I will come back right here. I have to paste the link. Okay, so once I paste it, then I have to paste it. Then I have to click on verify. Okay, just give it a little time to load up, and we are good to go. You can see your posts have been verified. Okay, so we are good to go. So you can see all verification completed. You have successfully verified your gas ID. Share on X. You can close the tab. So we simply go back right now. And right now you can see we just got 100 beans right now. Okay, so we have not done this. So what is the next thing for you to do? You can see claim beans based on your historical gas spent. I will click on claim right now. You can see for the amount of gas fee we have spent on Ethereum so far, we got 8 beans. So I'll click on claim beans right now, and successfully we have just done all this basic tags. So what is the next thing for you to do? The next thing that you need to do is very simple. Simply go ahead and click over here on the leaderboard. Let me see what I'm gonna have right here. And over here on leaderboard, scrolling down, you can see there are some quests that you need to complete. You can see for completing those basic tasks, I've managed to get 248 beans. And remember, the link to this website is going to be right there on the video description box. So over here right now, you can see you need to do a couple of tasks right here, which you can see I've completed mostly almost all of them for just getting to do some certain stuff right there. So I need to get to follow X account, do some certain stuff. You are already familiar with all the tasks, I believe. And of course, the people you refer, you are going to be seeing the progress so far right here on the referral quest. That is what you are going to be getting if you refer a certain amount of persons to this platform. Okay, so right now guys, it is very simple, and this is basically all you need to know about this project. If more updates drops, we are going to be sharing it with you immediately. If you encounter any problem, let us know right there on the comment section, so that we'll be there to help you better understand it. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll be talking to you on the next update dropping very soon.